Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time. And we have the one and only Stephen Dow at 5 a.m. in Hawaii on vacation. He thought it was so important to keep the streak going. I just got to say thank you. It means a world to me that my experts take this seriously and come back every week on vacation, up early. You're the man. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Well, I'm sure people can tell in the videos. I got a plethora of energy. So,
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, getting up and early is not my problem. It's just being able to go to sleep at a certain time is my
There you
problem.
go.
So, but no, a pleasure and honor to always be in this channel. So let's get it cracking.
There you go. Well, get the marketing thing out of the way because we are going to announce something super special. You are going to be paying for out of your own pocket. I think it's for the month of September, but
Right.
I'll let you kind of outline it. But to do the marketing thing first.
You got it. So, although I work very happily for Blasting Mortgage Capital, all the ideas and topics discussed on this channel are that of my own. So, for the month of September, I figured, let's throw our fellow man and one rental at a time family a bone. So, for the month of September, for each deal submitted in the month of September, I will do one free appraisal. So, what happened last time is a couple of people got savvy and called me up with a blanket loan. And so when I said free appraisals, they got like 6 to 10, and that wasn't
Not good.
management wasn't too happy with it. Yeah.
Let's not do that again. We're doing one.
Let's not do that again. One out of your deal. Right. So, but yeah, that's all for the whole month of September. So multifamilies as well, which is huge because that's like a $2,400.
That's a big pop.
That's a big pop. So other than that, yeah.
I
think it really helps because
yeah. I mean, again, appraisals, appraisal, depending on where you are in residential, $400 or $500, it's real money. You're going to pay for it out of your pocket. And the multifamily, the bigger stuff, commercial, that's easy. $2,000, $2,500, something like that. So I think that's really cool. I think, I think it rewards the people doing the work. I think I know for sure the real estate market's slowing down. I know that motivated sellers, they're like right out there. We still are in that little noisy period where we have wish pricing and cancellations and expireds. But boy, once August gets behind us, September comes, right? The summer's over. September, October, November, it's going to get really good. Motivated sellers are there. Portfolio loans, 50, 40, 10s.
Yep.
It's some sellers just want out, and one rental at a time families are going to do the deal. Remember, folks, video number 2, we are getting 3% seller credit on all deals.
Yep.
Now you're getting free appraisals for the month of September.
Right. Yep.
It's just some amazing stuff coming. What do you think?
Well, agreed. Again, with the reduction of the appraisal fee off the closing costs, you get more bang for your buck with that 3% of seller concessions towards non-recurring closing costs. So it then adds to that where you have to come out of pocket less and or be able to buy down the rate even further. So there's a lot of different advantages with this. So just basically exposing all of your listeners, subscribers, and everybody to a bunch of these tools that are, that allow them to kind of piece together the best, deal possible given the circumstance and the scenario. So just really happy. And again, just wanted to throw, give something back to the one rental time family because I've been so blessed to be part of this thing. So want to kind of throw everybody a bone. So
I just saw that we've been doing this for over a year now. It's pretty crazy. So it's
been a fun ride, Mike.
It has been a fun ride. And I can't thank you enough being getting up early, doing this every weekend, giving the channel guests something special like a free appraisal. Again, folks, one appraisal. Let's not try to, work him and get 10 free appraisals on one blanket loan. It's one appraisal. You do 10. It's one appraisal, one appraisal.
Right.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. So again, I think there's a lot of opportunity out there for us. We're only doing great deals. We're asking for at least 3% seller credit, 30-year fixed rate debt. Try to get seller carries, 50, 40, 10. The opportunities are out there. You just have to believe. I'm getting more and more notes from people getting seller carries. Sometimes they're getting full seller carries. One gentleman I'm going to interview is a little tease for Sunday. He got a seller to carry the entire purchase, nothing down.
Nice. Yeah. Well, I mean, I know Pace does a lot of that kind of similar stuff for a multifamilies, like, and he'll structure it differently, like a 40-year AM or kind of just very creative. So, kudos to Pace as well. And so just being creative, understanding what tools you could use and just kind of playing with them and just, adjusting whatever works best for that deal.
Yeah. So again, folks, one of the things you heard me talk about the last couple of weeks and why I spent thousands of dollars to go to an event last week, because I needed more tools for my tool belt.
Mhm.
You have to believe. I think you said it, Steve, in the last video. Either you believe you can or you can't. You're right either way. Seller financing is legal. It is
100%.
possible. It
Doing
is
them all
possible to
day.
get 1, 2, 3% on seconds.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's you just have to believe. You have to understand. You have to position. You have to know why it's good
Mm-hmm.
for the seller.
Mm-hmm.
Now you have a partner that can work with you and Stephen Dow. If you want to call and talk about blankets or any other kind of loan products, do it.
Well, I think it really empowers the investor to be able to make the offer confidently as far
Yeah.
as requesting seller contributions or seller carrybacks. Because if you don't believe it when you're
Yeah,
pitching
it
it,
comes through.
they can hear it. There's a tone in your voice, and if there's any doubt, the seller's going to hear that doubt, or they're going to feel it. So if you can't talk with conviction and belief in the actual benefits, how can they? So I think the ones that are doing the work, the ones that really understand and are confident in making those offers, they're getting them accepted. So it's
There you
just
go.
the reality of just doing the work.
How should they reach out to get this get the free appraisal?
Again, well, I'm sure my phone or my email is going to blow up today because it blew up last time. Again, just my email, sdao@velocitymortgage.com. In the subject line, please put the acronym ORAAT for one rental at a time. The body of the email, just simple description, what you're looking for, city and state at least, where you're looking to buy, just to make sure we lend there, your mid-FICO score, and the best phone number to reach you at. And typically 24, 48 hours, I'll either be in touch with somebody from my team, but otherwise, yeah, just let's get it cracking. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of phone calls from this.
Yeah.
So.
Folks, remember he is in Hawaii till Monday. So please reach out, get in his queue. But his normal 24/48 may not be 24/48. He does have a team. He will take care of you. Stephen,
Right.
thank you again for doing this.
My pleasure. I know it's for September. If you're going to call me either today or this weekend, I'll also honor that.
Of course.
Yeah. So, but otherwise, have a great weekend, folks. Thanks again for the opportunity and aloha.
Aloha. Thanks, buddy.